behalf of the GDJ Ahmedabad and WTM Ahmedabad, I would like to welcome you all for this amazing event today. And it's a pleasure to see all of the new faces and a few of the familiar faces today. So we have the theme of Impact the Future today. It is not mentioned here, but yeah, it is. So whether you are here to gain new insights or network and with industry experts or simply connect with fellow individuals, we hope you will find today's event both informative and inspiring. I would like to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to the speakers for their generous support and contributions to making this event possible. Without that dedication and commitment, it wouldn't have been possible. So today we have lined up many of the speakers around many themes like AI, applied skills, communications, and some designing and presentations. So it is not just about the presentations and discussions. We have also planned some of the fun activities that we will be playing around. So that is also on the plan today. And we hope that you also take out the most of this event by encouraging yourself to more asking the questions that you don't understand to the speakers, engage in the discussions and make it more interactive. So that way, so I hope you all have a wonderful and enriching experience today. So that is it. Let's make today more memorable. And I would like to also add more things to it, like whenever you go to any event, it's mainly you go there to gain some insights, to connect with fellow developers and everything. But what are the other things that comes to your mind when you attend any event, and especially this kind of in-person events? Anything else apart from getting more knowledge, getting the networking with more people? Hello, hello. બસ આટલું જ છે? Yes, sir.
I think we get the good vibes when we see the other people are working or doing the similar efforts what we do, right? That inspires us to do the, I think, helping the community, right, and contributing back to the them. So if somebody say, for example, you are contributing to something, right, it indirectly inspire all of us to let's give back to the society.
It's very true. Thank you, sir. That is so true that when you go out and meet a person in this work from home era, it is so good to see people around you and networking with those people and getting that vibe, getting that energy, and that everything makes this event so fulfilling and attending and satisfying. So that is one thing. Let's do more of interaction. Um, I would say this is a International Women's Day celebrations today. So I would like to know more about, like everybody talks about what are the problems that women face and what are the this and that things. But can anyone tell me that what are the benefits as a woman that we have, like the pros for being a woman? Yes? मल्टीटास्किंग, या राइट.
बचपन से आपको वो चीज़ कह सकते हैं कि बचपन से वो इनबिल्ड होती है आपको. एंड वन मोर थिंग कि मेरे पेरेंट्स एक चीज़ सिखाते हैं कि एज अ वुमन आप खुद को एज अ अर्थ के तरह देखो, जो ज़मीन होती है, और वो ज़मीन के अंदर हम कोई भी बीज बोए, वो एक फ्रूट, मतलब जिस तरीके का बीज बोएंगे उस तरीके का फल निकलेगा. तो वुमन के अंदर वो चीज़ होती है कि वो खुद इस तरीके से बन सकते हैं, एंड वो एक चाइल्ड या फिर उनके सराउंडिंग में जो भी है उनको ट्रीट इस तरीके से करते हैं कि उनके अंदर से बेस्ट पोटेंशियल को वो निकाल सकते हैं. तो ये चीज़ वुमेन्स के अंदर ज़्यादा देखी जाती है कंपैरेटिवली मेल्स में.
या सो ब्यूटीफुल, राइट. एनीवन एल्स? अरे બહુ બધા પ્રોઝ છે, યાદ કરો.
हमको हमेशा प्रायोरिटी मिलती है.
We get all the attention every time. True. We are on the top priority, always. Anything else, guys? Yes, Tanvi. Yes, sir.
हमारी जो टीम होती है ना, I think everybody understand because right. So हमारी टीम में वो तो क्या બધા બજરંગ है. અને જે ટીમમાં બધા બોયઝ હોય ને એને અમે એવું કહીએ કે બધા બજરંગ. તો એ ટીમ કરતા જેમાં વુમેન્સ હોય ને, they are more creative, right? They are making more fun and it's make office work like a very connected place. So કોઈ પણ I think when any women, right, or any female come to the team, it spark up, right? I mean, so I think lot of fun, lot of creativity, lot of talk, right, lot of fashion also. Otherwise, people, even boys will come in a same attire, right? But once at least one female is there, everybody is attentive at least. So it makes more, I think, environment more lively.
I think women are more organized in terms of everything. घर है या फिर even workplace में भी their work sometimes is like very well organized. I have seen in my experience, in my company itself, our CEO always promotes woman who is leader. बिकॉज उन्होंने देखा है कि जिस टीम की टीम लीडर लड़की होती है ना, वो टीम का कुछ ग्रोथ ही अलग होता है. एक तो वो स्ट्रिक्ट होती है प्लस ऑर्गेनाइज भी होती है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग आई पर्सनली एम प्राउड अबाउट बीइंग अ वुमन.
Yes, yes. So true. And one thing that I've noticed, I also used to attend many of these events, but every time I go, I see men so much, but very less number in women. But today it is for women, and I see many of the women sitting around, so it makes me feel so good. So thank you all the women for coming here, and to all the men who have nominated a woman and brought a woman along with them. So that is good. So let's start with our sessions today. So first of all, I would like to welcome Dhruva. Dhruva is a WTM ambassador for Ahmedabad, and she has been contributing to community for past 10 years and more. She's into, she started actually with development in Android development, and then she went to the project management, and she has gained multiple, she has promoted multiple roles as well, and she has experience in multiple areas of IT management, project handling, and project creations and product roles, and she is a true, I would say, inspiration for all of us who are who wants to contribute more to the community, and like she is the role model for all of us. So let's welcome Dhruva.
Thank you so much, Neeli. Good morning, everyone. બધા જ ગુજરાતી સમજો છો? Anyone who doesn't understand? કોઈ છે જે ગુજરાતી કરતા હિન્દી કે ઇંગ્લિશ પ્રિફર કરે છે? How many of you are attending the event for the first time? Yeah, so one more time. How many of you are attending for the first time? May I ask how did you come to know about this event? Word of mouth? By friends? Anyone from community platform? Slack channel or social media? Okay, so majority, I believe, would have come through word of mouth. So to begin with, to give you an idea what this community is, GDG Ahmedabad is Google Developers Group that we are running for more than 10 years. We are Google supported group, not in any way collaborated or directly connected with Google Corporation. We are supported as a non-profit, so we are a non-profit developers group for developers, by developers. We do organize technical workshops, speaker sessions, hackathons, and everything. and all the events that we do, we try to keep the contents related to Google products and open source, but we are open to discuss about other platforms. Women Take Makers that we have all of us gathered here today. Women Take Makers is an initiative that Google started internally in 2014, and we did the first event, first International Women's Day in 2014 with the previous lead before me, with Vaibhavi Desai. After that, after her, I took over, and Google realized that many of the females in their organization were lacking confidence. They were having so much potential, but they were unable to self-promote themselves. They were able to feel that confidence and take up the roles and charges and promotions. Due to lack of confidence or one or the any other reasons like barriers that they were facing, imposter syndrome and etc. So they started practicing certain inclusive activities with a small group of people, and later on they found that those practices were becoming very helpful to not only women but women, underrepresented people, male allies and everyone. So from there, the Women Take Makers initiative started, and it has scaled up to these many years of 10 years. And similar way as GDG Ahmedabad, we do organize monthly meetups and a yearly grand event that we are here today for, International Women's Day. So basically, summarizing, GDG Ahmedabad and WTM Ahmedabad are, WTM Ahmedabad is not a parallel community, it's an initiative, a sister community that runs in a collaboration with Google Developers Group with GDG Ahmedabad. We do organize 2 monthly meetups, one for GDG, one for WTM, and 2 annual events. Developer Festival, which we call DevFest, which we organize during the months of October to December, and International Women's Day that we host in the month of March or April. So Women Take Makers and GDG, we never differentiate that, but what we basically focus on is to provide resources and platforms to as many as people to grow in their life, in their career and personal life, everything. Now, how you can be a part of this community? We have official community platform, Community Dev. This is the link in the end of the event. We can provide you. We would also be sending you a feedback form after the event. In that also, all these links would be available for you all to join and stay updated for the upcoming events. Vaishnavi Sonavne. Mimi Koklani. Priya Sindkar. Himani might be joining us a bit later. Kalgi is also going to join later, I guess. Preeti, okay. Tirth and Preeti, okay, they also might join us later. But still, we would like to have a speaker photo together.
काढ लो फोटो फोटो काढ फोटो
स्क्रीन साइड में एक साइड में
नहीं स्क्रीन साथ बस स्क्रीन साथ
So, concluding to my introduction, I would hand it back to Nidhi for the next session. Thank you.